You know, I've been watching my friend Alex, the poster child for the Kaizen method. Every day, he's like a productivity ninja, slicing through tasks with the precision of a samurai. Meanwhile, there's me, let's call me Bob, who thinks Kaizen is a fancy sushi roll. Alex wakes up at 5 a.m., meditates, and then spends 30 minutes improving his morning routine. I, on the other hand, hit snooze 5 times, then improve my bed's impression of my body. While Alex is busy reading self-help books, I'm binge-watching shows about people who are way more successful than I am. He's out there climbing the corporate ladder, and I'm just trying to find the ladder. And let's not even talk about his hobbies. He's mastering guitar while I'm mastering the art of making cereal. In the end, Alex is living his best life, and I'm just trying to figure out if I should have a second slice of pizza. So, if you're like me, maybe it's time to swap the pizza for a plan. Because while Alex is leveling up, I'm still stuck on the tutorial.